Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a productivity and the office suited app named TickTick. Well, it's a combined task manager, habit tracker, and Pomodoro timer in one app. Very useful app, how you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for TickTick download. Simple, click enter. And then you're going to get the first website from the ticktick.com. Click on that, and from here you can simply download it for the different operating system. I'm going to go for Windows. Click on that. Then you're going to get the download option. Click on this, and after that your download will be completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on simply 2 times to install. Click yes for the permission, and now simply minimize all of your background tab. Simply click next, and install. After complete installation, we're going to click on the finish option, and it will going to open the TickTick in a computer in a very simple way. So here what you have to do, you have to simply sign in and log in your Google Chrome. Just simply, so right now you understand how you can simply log in it, TickTick. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.